Yeah, so today's session is going to be based on an effective questioning tool which is used to promote discussion, and it's something that the students really enjoy because it kind of relates to the whole beer pong game, but instead it's question pong, so they enjoy trying to shoot it in the cup, and they also realise that they're engaging in group discussions, and it allows me to do AFL and assess their learning in a formative manner, and get an idea of any gaps in their knowledge. So we'll be expecting a few more people in a little bit, but what I've done is I've stuck a piece of blue tack on some people's keyboards underneath. So you want to flip your keyboard over and have a look. Really, in it, other than I've been doing assessments and you guys are a little bit further ahead or have had a little bit more depth in your content, okay? So that's why you've got a piece of blue tack underneath. And what that means is that during some of our tasks, a lot of them are differentiated to stretch and challenge. So for example, when we do the question pong, you'll see extra little add-ons which are in italics and bold. And that just means that if you've got a piece of blue tack, I want you to try and attempt the extension on the question. Okay. We're going to start with question pong. Now, the rules go as follows. No blocking, because it's all about the learning. Okay, we've got 15 minutes. It's a 15-minute starter activity. So once the clock goes, that's that. And we're going to be in two groups, in two teams of 3. Okay, when you have taken your shot, you swap. Okay, you get it in. Okay, you get 2 points. Okay, and if the other team can get their question right, you lose one of your points. So essentially, what you would have had 2 points, you get 1 point. Okay. As I say, the questions are differentiated for those with blue tack underneath their keyboard, okay? So, the teams will go as follows. Chloe, Sky and Rachel, and Megan, Sarah and Nevs are going to be in a team, okay? Yes. So, without further ado, because it is quite a long starter, let's just get straight on with it, okay? So I'm going to give 2 balls, just simply because if one goes missing. Okay. Right, now what's your team name, guys? Anything related to logic?
Quantizing.
Quantizing. Very speed. Are we ready? I'm going to start my timer.
For direct hit? For direct pop, do you get like extra points or what?
Do you get a point if you hit the other person? Can it bounce?
It can bounce, yeah.
No, do you get extra points though for
no. Just 2 points
You
and...
first, second, third.
No blocking.
Oh! Let's try and have some ball. What's the question say?
I want to highlight a section of a region. What tool do I need?
Okay. Right. What tool do you need if you want to highlight the section of a region? It can be MIDI or audio.
Can you not just try?
No, if I wanted to select it, so I can do something with it. Imagine scissor tool at both ends. What's the tool called? We can pass it on to them and they can get 3 points.
I would have just tried it. I don't really need some question, I would just try it.
Okay, guys, can I pass it on to you guys?
Do you want to go with that? The marquee tool.
Yes, well done, guys. Well done.
Megan's going.
Ooh.
Close. Oh.
Okay, you guys, you got another one against you. They're outsmarting you and they're out throwing you. Go on, next.
What is bit deaf? Can you explain what the Nyquist?
The waves. Should I give it him?
It's like on the sine wave. It's the bits that go vertical.
I'll give you that. Yeah. So essentially, bit depth. Remember, we were talking about the sine wave. We have a sine wave, for example. Okay, and essentially we break up our wave. Okay. And that is our bit depth, or we can have a bit rate which will determine the quality of the sound. Remember when we did the Mario theme? Okay, fantastic. Well done, George. I'll give you that. Lovely. Lovely. Okay.
You've been practicing this week, so you have it in.
I want to say virtual studio technology.
Yes,
There
well
you
done,
go.
fantastic, good job.
Oh, them's three to sat down.
I answered the Alt Shift K one. which was
Okay,
the
no, that was Rachel, that.
No, I told Rachel.
Okay.
You said it to them.
Well,
So,
that's cheating. I'll have a couple.
Georgia, I know you came in late, so I'm going to give you one. There's one. Don't know what it is. And you guys, I want you to dish out the 3 to each of them, okay?
Does it make everything on time?
In time. So if we call the process quantization for MIDI, what do we call the process when we use it with audio? When we change audio to put it into time?
How do you? I don't even know.
Oh, it was
Was it
muttered.
flexing?
It's flexing.
Are you
Well done,
kidding?
guys.
What a guess!
Well done.
I didn't know.
Okay.
Flexing.
Well done.